What's going on YouTube? So today we're installing some SPL, they're the Camber arms, some traction rods. So we're going to be putting them on the Z. Now the past year or so I've been having a death wobble issue. I bought white line bushings, but the bushings ended up sucking. Most of them did not fit. So while I was checking the bushings, I realized that my camber arms had become loose. The heim joints got play. Now when I was trying to adjust them, this piece seized, so I can no longer pull more than -2 degrees out of the driver's side. I was going to get them rebuilt, but I figured at the same time, you know, I got two Z's, so I bought another pair anyways. These are the new billet versions, way nicer than the old stuff. But you can check them out. They got titanium fasteners, FK rod ends, and then the logo is like laser engraved, so it's pretty cool stuff, you know. Same thing with the traction rods. So now I'm gonna be running SPL everything in the rear on the Z, so hopefully this will be a lot better. I also got the fasteners to delete the eccentric bolts. These are necessary since all the tuning is going to be done from the arm itself and not the bolt. So I got these from Enjuku. I got most of the stuff from Enjuku. I think I got the traction rods from Concept Z Performance though. On Black Friday they had the best price, so I just ordered with them. But yeah, let's get to it. Pretty sure this is what's causing my issue. So time to replace those. So I got the old arm out. This is the camber arm, driver's side, so you can see it's like they're blown already, which for being almost 200,000 miles, like, it's not bad, right? Here's the new one. You see it's similar. They both have that kink for lowered cars. Yeah, so you can see these are like the billet version, whereas these are the old chromoly design. Strong arms, I like them, easy to work on, so that's why I went with another pair. Yeah, let's throw these on now. So for the lockout kit, I'm gonna put the fastener on the aft side, the rear side, and the nut on the forward side. So that way, if I ever have to take these off for whatever reason, I don't have to remove the sway bar. So let's try this again. Camera. A little snug, but whatever. So throw that one on. Not snug, a little loose, actually, is what I meant to say. Snug. All right. So now, alright, so I had it going layer up. It's starting to get cold. Like when I'm in the sun, I feel fine, but in the shade, it's a little too cold. But I had to go get a tool also, right? Pretty sure the mines used the same technique when they were building shit. So if it worked for them, it works for me. Throw some padding on. Right. And then you just turns back in there where they're supposed to go, just because I forget where they go. I don't label them. So normally I'll do something to keep them in place, right? So that one goes there, since this is the new arm that's going on. That one's there. And that's pretty much how I keep track of like which bolt goes where, whatnot. But yeah, so move on to the next part. That. So then there. So since I'm going to take off the spring, I'm just leaving them there. That way I don't get them mixed up. They're not the same length either, so make sure you put them back in the correct spot. If I remember correctly, the one for this one right here is a little bit longer than those two. But yeah, so just be careful. Alright, so I got the jack up on the mid link. So the reason you want to do this is so the spring doesn't shoot down. Now, the way mine is set up, it won't actually shoot down. It only has maybe like that much more, right? But I still put it up, and I'm able to take this bolt out by adjusting the jack, right? So if this isn't coming out, I usually just go up or down, and it'll come out. So now we're gonna try to go down. Now the OEM mid-link, the spring will come down with this. This one's a snug fit, so I usually have to fight these to take them out, but it's essentially out. If the spring falls off, fuck it. Alright, so it's the next day today. Both of the cameras died yesterday, so I just stopped recording, and it started getting really cold, so I was focusing more on just trying to finish the install than trying to record it. The passenger side install was pretty smooth. I didn't have any issues really. The driver's side, I had a couple little things here and there, but the install itself overall wasn't that hard. I just had a few speed bumps on the driver's side, but we got over it. Now, I kind of eyeballed the alignment, and since it's New Year's, you know, it's July 1st, I'm pretty sure all the alignment shops are closed. So I might just drive it like this to sleigh day and pray that my alignment is good. We're gonna go find out right now. I'm editing the video, realized I forgot to close out the video, so thanks again for watching. Hit the like button down below, subscribe, you know, comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.